how to withdraw application on Jobstreet. If you want to withdraw application that may be a job that you've applied for on Jobstreet, you can open up the Jobstreet app, and this is the typical interface that you'll see. Normally you can go to the option My Activity and you can go to the Applied tab. You'll find a list of jobs you've applied, and if you find the one, you can cancel them directly. But if your application has already been accepted, then in that case you cannot withdraw it from Jobstreet, because Jobstreet does not manage the recruitment process after the application is submitted. So in that case, you have to try to contact the advertiser directly, and you can find the information for the advisor in the job posting details or on their website. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.